What is up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweeterman. Anyways, yo, I've been vlogging a hot minute, which I'm going to be getting into that, why I haven't, and what's going on with the McLaren. So if you're new to my channel, I own a McLaren 650S, a 2015 Spider, and I've had it now for a little bit over a year. So that being said, I currently have the car at the shop at Pickering Auto Lab. It's been there towards the beginning of spring. Reason being is I had problem with the battery. So the battery died on me while I was driving, and I had to source out the battery from the States and got the battery, then took it to Pickering Auto Lab. If you guys want to see my journey with the car and stuff, just browse through the channel, everything should be there. That being said, I haven't driven the car in a hot minute. I have problem with the instrument cluster. So right now I'm on my way to Mississauga. I don't remember what the shop name is, but I'm on my way. I'm about an hour away to Mississauga to go get my instrument cluster. Then I'm gonna take that, bring it back to Pickering Auto Lab to get that done, and hopefully, finger crossed, everything works out. Then I should be able to get that driven. Now here comes another issue. My insurance company dropped me. Reason being is my age, and I'm 26, so my age, and also the value of the car. So I've never owned a car that expensive, and in Canada, I think mostly even in the US too, I'm not 100% sure. But that being said, the car, they don't want to be reliable of the car. It has too much power and it's too expensive. Okay, so they dropped me. So I have to find new insurance company that's gonna insure me in order for me to get that car driven, or to get it on the road. Another solution that I may have is probably just transfer the ownership to my mom's for the meantime. However, I'm gonna be selling the car, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get it fixed, and I think I may have a buyer. The only reason why people didn't want to buy this car was just because of the main problem of the cluster. So now that it's getting fixed, and which is already fixed, once I install it, I think I should be able to get exactly what I'm looking for. What I've gotten, the offer that I've gotten so far, it's been, I'll say maybe, like with the car being just the way it is, I think it's about 20k less than what I was asking for. So now with the cluster, I think I should be able to get back the value of what the car is. So let's see. So I'm going to Saga, and yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated and let you guys know exactly what's happening with that. Alright, YOLO. Alright, your updates, holy. Alright, so I've been driving for over about 50 to 55 minutes, give or take. Man, so tired, yo. Traffic is super crazy, but at least right now it's a little bit calm. I'm about 10 minutes away from my location to go pick up my cluster, and man, so super tired. I don't look forward driving back home, and like I mentioned, after this I have to go see a client, and from there then go back to Pickering. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to see my client, then go to Pickering to give my cluster. If anything, I'm gonna just give my cluster tomorrow to get that sorted out, and hopefully by the end of the week I should be able to get my car back. So finger crossed, we'll see about that. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys once we get there, so in about 10 minutes, give or take. Yeah, alright, you guys, we finally made it here at Denmark Electronics. So I'm gonna just flip that real quick. So we're right here at Denmark Electronics. That's where my cluster is gonna be. Hopefully everything works. So I'm gonna go pick that up, and I'm gonna give you guys what's the price. If you do know, let me know in the comment below before Don't cheat though. If you know, let me know right now. Then I'm finna go pick that up right now, and then I'm gonna give you guys what's the breakdown. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, so we got the cluster and we got the bill over here. Now, if I had to go through McLaren to get this service or to get this done, it was gonna cost me $9,000 to get it done through McLaren dealership. So, and I had another alternative to take it to the States. They quoted me anywhere from between $1,500 to $5,000 to get that done in the States. Now, based on those two info, what you guys think I actually paid? If you guess, I got a cheaper version of it to get it fixed. So if you're thinking, let's say $2,000-3,000, you're wrong. Let's say $1,000, you're wrong. So I paid $500 plus HST, which is 13%, which came down to $565 right there. Where at? $565. You guys might see it upside down, but it is what it is. Wait, what if I turn it? It doesn't matter. So I paid $565 and I got my cluster over here. So far everything looks good enough for me. Just have to get it cleaned a little bit and then get it installed. Then after that, I'm gonna take the car to my detailer and get it all cleaned up properly, because right now it's pretty filthy. The last time I checked, it was super filthy. So probably when we go to pick another lap, if we do manage to go today, then I'm gonna show you guys the car. If we do not, then it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done and we'll go about it that way. Yeah? Alright. YOLO! What up, yo? It's another day, so we're back home still. Obviously, like I said, I'm finger crossed. Hope the instrument cluster works. If it does works, that's gonna save me a lot of money down the line. Because McLaren was charging me $10,000 to get a cluster to get fixed. So, and I paid a little bit over $500 to get a cluster fixed. So hopefully that works. I'm gonna take it back to the garage to get it fixed. And if that's good, then hey, we're saving some dollars here. So I guess pray for me down in the comment below. And again, if you do enjoy this episode, please make sure you guys like, subscribe. More videos gonna be coming up, so I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Alright.